Okay, good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about innovation in the ecosystem of the Bureau of Fire Protection. So I'm choosing the OLP or the Oplan Ligtas Pamayanan, which is an innovative program of BFP. So let me first describe this program by showing this illustration as well. So, OLP or Oplan Ligtas Pamayanan is an initiative by the Bureau of Fire Protection excerpted from the bigger strategic plan of the BFP modernization program. So, it makes sure of the safety of the community and its preparedness within the country. So, the program has different tranches and involved different measures to address fire and other forms of emergencies with its main goal of enhancing the capabilities of the residents living in the communities. So there are four innovations and mechanism of OLP or Oplan Ligtas Pamayanan. First is the Handang Pamayanan program, which includes two aspects. So first thing is the Community Fire Auxiliary Group and the Community Fire Protection Plan. It is how to empower the community when it comes to responding to localized fire incidents. So the BFP creates a responding team which is in transit or is always ready as a working hand, working arm of the municipal or local fire stations that promote community safety toward guided activities by the BFP. It is a structured organization of volunteered residents clustered by sitio or purok. So it comes within a neighborhood or by blocks or zonas, specifically in barangays. So they work hand in hand, and it has a number of structured people within the group. So volunteer residents are clustered by sitio or purok. So there is a representative from the barangay, and also they will be trained and monitored by the fire station. On the other hand, the Community Fire Protection Plan is also a program under the Handang Pamayanan program. It is an important part which produces a community hazard map from the people, made by the people, namely the representatives or the fire brigade personnel of the barangay. So they will make or they will produce a hazard map that will be composed of but not limited to the details of the community exit, evacuation route, predetermined evacuation areas, and designated hazard zones that should be identified not just by the BFP but also should be identified by the community itself. Another innovation or mechanism of the OLP or Oplan Ligtas Pamayanan is the Kaagapay program, which has the Bombero sa Pamayanan becomes the coordinator and the lead of all programs of the municipal fires or city fire station in the community. So it designates a focal person or like such as a Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction Management Committee, sitio leaders, zone or purok representatives. So they become focal persons, and they are expected to deliver a significant amount of the program of the OLP as a focal person, a representative, as the communicator between BFP and the community. So they should be and they shall be immersed in a community under the BFP. They will be trained in order to establish strong partnership and deep concern for the residents. So they are also expected to rekindle the spirit of bayanihan among the residents to establish the very foundation of the OLP. So another one is the Linga program. So the Linga program is focused on the inspection aspect or the extensive conduct of house-to-house fire safety survey, may it be in the engineering aspect or may it be in the fire safety in the structural aspect, and also guided by the CFPP or the Community Fire Prevention Plan, the Community Hazard Map. So this can be a deterrent measure to primarily identify high-risk areas of the community considered most vulnerable to fire. So there are corrective and preventive activities in order to really lessen the frequency of fire incidents. So the fourth and the last one, which is the innovation of the innovation and mechanism under the Oplan and Ligtas Pamayanan, is the evaluation and recognition. So this is a part where the four or the three aspects of the innovations is being evaluated, and then the people involved outside the organization or the entity of BFP is then awarded or recognized. So the Bayanihan Seal of Fire Safety shall be awarded to the people involved in the programs or the OLP program, which is the barangay captain, the focal persons, and also the top performing barangays that joined the program of the OLP. So with a certification from the city or municipal fire marshal, the seal shall be given to the qualified recipients. The Bayanihan Seal shall be subject to annual renewal to ensure such safe condition of the community is maintained at all times. So the annual search is also conducted, in line to the BFP anniversary. So in conclusion, the BFP mechanism, innovative mechanism of Oplan Ligtas Pamayanan makes a forward-thinking and comprehensive approach when it comes to fire safety and community resilience by integrating technology, community participation, regulatory enforcement, and data-driven strategies. Holistic approach not only address the immediate fire risk but also contribute to the long-term sustainability and disaster resilience. So I think that would be all. Thank you very much and good evening.